Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to append key value pairs to a dictionary in Python. Introduction. In Python, dictionaries are a versatile and widely used data structure that allows you to store and manipulate key value pairs. If you need to add new key value pairs to an existing dictionary, the process is straightforward. This tutorial will guide you through appending key value pairs to a dictionary in Python with clear explanations and examples. Before appending key value pairs, you need to have a dictionary. You can create an empty dictionary or use an existing one. To add new key value pairs to a dictionary, you can use the square bracket notation. After appending key value pairs, you may want to print the updated dictionary to verify the changes. You can also append multiple key value pairs simultaneously using the update method. Appending key value pairs to a dictionary in Python is a fundamental operation that allows you to dynamically update and modify your data structures. With the simple syntax provided in this tutorial, you can easily extend dictionaries to accommodate new information. Experiment with the examples provided to gain a better understanding of how to manipulate dictionaries in your Python programs. ChatGPT.